Morning guys, morning world. Just had a delivery from one of our suppliers. So let's open it up live for you guys. So this is from Woodwork Supply UK, and I've now got some beautiful Smerdex discs. Got some 125s for my little palm sander. And then I got some 150 for the pestle. So I've got, what sizes I've got here? I've got 150, 150, 125s. Got some of their cool Aqua Plus wood filler ready mixed, which is great for some small repairs. I've got 150, I've got 240. Another 240, 180. Another 120. So I've got basically everything I need. 80 grit, 80 grit for me to do my sanding. And then also I ordered some more of the hot melt glue gun black. Yeah, I just got black for the wood repair that I do on most of my oak and stuff like that. So that's for the wood care repair, which is on my eBay selling page if you guys want to purchase that gun. But I'm also thinking of doing selling these in my shop because they're just the best sanding pads for my work. Really, they produce this finish. So yeah, I can't recommend them enough. So in here you'll see my delivery note. So yeah, everything I ordered and fantastic. So really happy there. They were at the Maker Central show, the NEC, when I ordered this a couple of days before they went, and I said that's okay, don't worry, just send it as soon as you can, and this is what I got. So that's enough sand in stock there to do many tables, so really pleased with that. Great packaging as well, can't recommend them enough. Fantastic. So remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Thanks for watching.